So the left likes to spin the narrative, as always, in a negative light when it comes to all things Donald Trump. Um, and you've seen that over the past 10 years, a solid decade of just constant smears and you name it. I mean, attacks, everything. So the Trump administration is trying to rid our social programs from fraudsters. And of course, there's the left and the Democrats crying about that. No, don't kick these people off. They should be collecting Medicaid. Really? Do you know who's actually being kicked off Medicaid? According to the Congressional Budget Office, 48% are able-bodied, healthy adults. They are single. They have no children. So why aren't you working? You can get on your employer's healthcare, employer-sponsored health insurance. So there's that. That's like half the people right there. 48%, almost 50. 16% have access to other forms of subsidized healthcare coverage. Another 13% are regarded as illegitimate, so they never should have been on it to begin with. 11%, which I think this number should have been higher, actually. 11% were illegal immigrants, which illegal is the keyword here. They never should have been on it. But then the Biden administration gave them hotel rooms and culturally specific food, along with cash assistance, free cell phones. Must be nice. Why can't I go to another country and get the red carpet rolled out for me and get everything for free? Let's go. So anyway, and then you've got 12% that were fraudulent fraudsters, basically. Their applications could never be verified. The persons who submitted those applications were unverifiable. So that's who's being kicked off Medicaid. You know, our social programs are meant for people in genuine need, like the truly vulnerable, not the fraudsters and the gamers and the you name it, not for those. And so that's the thing, folks. You've got someone like President Trump, who's a wrecking ball in a lot of ways. He comes in and bam, he takes care of business like nobody else I've ever seen. And I've seen a lot of presidents. But anyway, you know, you had other presidents give lip service, like Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, whatever. They gave lip service about the, you know, the waste, fraud, theft, and abuse. Oh, we got to do something about it. But they never did. Not really. Not really. So now we've got a guy in office who's actually doing something about it. He's doing what's got to be done. And that's the thing, folks. First of all, the left is going to cry about everything. You know, they're going to be kicking and screaming about everything he does. So there's that. Who cares about that? But Donald Trump, the man, President Trump, our president, is all about promises made and promises kept. And this is another example of that.